Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Kaur, and in this video we are going to talk about how to use Reddit. Now Reddit has been there for a long amount of time, but it's only recently when people have started getting fond of this forum-based social media platform. But there are a lot of people out there who want to be on it, but they don't know how to interact with the content or how to navigate around this app. So in this video, we are not only going to talk about how to use it, but also what is Reddit all about. So without wasting any time, let's get started. When you sign up on Reddit, the first thing that you have to do, just like any other social media platform, is give yourself a username. The difference between Reddit and other social media platforms is that once you give yourself a username, you have to stick by it for the rest of the lifetime of your account. You cannot change it in any way. Reddit will give you a pre-assigned username by itself. You can change it only once according to your own choice. The next thing is assigning yourself an avatar. Now on Reddit, people generally don't upload their own profile pictures. The identity is generally anonymous. People don't put their lives out there like on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. It's a platform for people who have a lot to say or a lot to share regarding particular topics, and they also want to connect with like-minded people without sharing or giving too much about their personal lives. On Reddit, people most of the times stick to the topics they should be talking about, and you do not owe a picture or a post just to show that you are a real person. So right now, I am creating an avatar for myself. I'm quite satisfied with how is it looking right now. You can choose your hair color, your hair length, your skin color, your outfit, and everything. And then you just have to save it, and then your avatar is ready. Some of the expressions and outfits of the avatars are paid. You just have to look out for these orange icons to know that they are not free, and they are not needed at all. They are just something extra, a sort of luxury if you want to have. The next thing that you need to know about Reddit is subreddits. Whenever you sign up on Reddit, it prompts you to join subreddits which match your interests. For example, if you're someone who is interested in coffee, books, quantum theories, iPhone wallpapers, you can just search for it and you will find a community. And you can join the one with the maximum amount of members, so you're able to connect with the most amount of like-minded people. It's just like following a page on Instagram or Facebook which matches your interests. Once you have joined the community, you are in touch with the people who have the same interest as yours. And once you visit that community, you will see that people have shared a lot of content regarding that particular topic, and you can also be one of those people. If you have any questions to ask, you can just go on that community, post that question, and people will answer it for you. For example, I have just joined this community which is called Notion because I'm an avid Notion user. This subreddit has almost 4 million people, which is great because that means you are going to have a chance to interact with 4 million people who are having the same interest as yours. Also, whenever you join a subreddit, you get a prompt to join a sub which is kind of similar to it. For example, I'm getting a prompt to join this Reddit page which is called productivity, and it's kind of similar to Notion because it's a productivity app, and I kind of love it. I would never search for it because it didn't cross my mind, but this looks great. A lot of people have shared hacks on how to boost productivity, and a lot of people have also shared problems which they face when it comes to boosting their productivity. So it's like I am getting to interact with people who take productivity very seriously. So when on your feed you come across a post someone has posted on the subreddit you joined, you can either upvote it or downvote it, just like liking it or disliking it. And if you have 2 cents of yours to give them in case they need any help, or if you have something to say regarding that particular subject, you can just go in the comment section and post whatever you have to say. Be nice, because I have generally seen that people are mostly very nice and very helpful on subreddits. So please be kind to people and help them out if they need it. I promise you that you will be getting the same kind of support when needed. Also, you can edit your comment once you have posted it in case you made any grammatical errors or any sort of errors, but you can just edit it and post it once again. You can also post emojis, images, GIFs, links in the comment section, but that depends on the subreddit that you have joined, because some of the mods which make all the rules of the subreddit, or you can say admins, do not allow for the emojis or images to be posted in the comment section by the people who have joined that community. For example, this community only allows for links to be posted in the comment section along with the text. So it only just depends on the subreddit that you have joined, because every subreddit has its own rules. And in case you come across a post you don't like, you can mute that subreddit so you don't come across posts which are posted in that subreddit, or you can tap on show fewer posts like this. So you can teach the algorithm that you do not like these sort of posts. So now I'm going to show you guys how to post in a community or a subreddit and how it helps you a lot. So this is a subreddit called Kindle, and here we can post 5 type of posts: text, link, image, poll, and videos. So let's just say that I do not have any idea how Kindle Unlimited works, and I do not know what sort of collection does Kindle Unlimited has. So I am going to post a question in this community asking if Kindle Unlimited is good for books which are self-help and productivity related. So I'm going to create a poll which says yes, no, or I don't know. And I'm going to wait for people to answer me, because there are people out there who have been using Kindle Unlimited and they have more knowledge about it than me. And their opinion is going to help me decide if I should invest in this subscription or not. Before I post, I have 2 options to work through. First is NSFW, which says not safe for work, which basically means it's an 18+ post. Since mine is not, I didn't tap on it. And then I have to decide the flair, which means the category of the post. Mine is a purchase question, so I tap on that and now I can post my post. And once my post is live, people will be able to see from the flair just in one look what that post is about. We will wait for the people to answer and react. In the meantime, let's talk about the more features which Reddit has. You can also upload and download the comments of people in case you like a certain comment or you don't like a certain comment. You can reply to their comment in case you have something to say about what they said, and you can give them awards, which is again a paid feature. It happens very rarely that people give awards. It happened with me just once in the span of 1 year. In case you have said something which is profound, deserves a clap, then yeah, people give you awards and they pay for the awards with coins, and coins come with money. You can also give other people the awards in case you come across a comment of theirs that you really like. Now moving on to the other features of Reddit, you can follow people on Reddit just like you follow people on Instagram or Facebook. Now, one cool feature about it is that in case a person has interacted with a lot of 18+ or NSFW content, you will know the moment you visit their profile, which is really cool, because in case you don't want to interact with a person like that, then you can avoid to follow that person. And now I am just following this person because I like their content. I can drop them a PM, which means personal message. And as soon as you visit someone's profile on Reddit, you will be able to see for how long they have been active on Reddit, how many times they have posted, how many times they have commented, and what are the number of awards they have received or given. It's called karma. So whatever you do on Reddit, you upload, download, comment, you create a post, you collect karma for it, which is a sort of point system. So the more the point system means, the more active that person is on Reddit, and it also kind of indicates how old the profile might be. Although some people use Reddit a lot and they might collect a lot of points in a short amount of time. For example, mine is only 1 karma right now because I had just created my profile. And some people are mere observers, so they take a long amount of time to collect their karma. Also on Reddit, you can take a look at all the content you have uploaded, downloaded, or marked as hidden. And you can also take a look at the posts you have recently visited. They will come under the category of recent. Now taking a look at someone's profile, so I can give you an example on how this whole karma thing works. Let's take a look at this one. So now you can see 11,164 post karma, 6,971 comment karma. This person uses Reddit a lot. This is their avatar. And in the about section, we can see how many times they have been awarded and how many times they have been the awardee. And now coming on to the next feature of Reddit, which is creating a community of yourself. We have already talked about joining the subreddits, but there are people out there who are maintaining these subreddits or groups, and these people are called the mods, or you can say the admins. But what if you want to create a subreddit of yourself and you want a community of yourself on a certain topic? So for example, you want a community on, let's say, dark academia India. And now once the community is created, you can start posting on it yourself, because only then people will come and join. You have to create flavors so that people can choose one of these flavors when they are creating posts in this subreddit. You will also have to create rules, which if the members of your subreddit do not follow, they will be kicked out or banned from your subreddit. And these rules can be something like that people cannot harm or harass or bully anyone in any way. If they do that, then we know what's going to happen. And also you can add more mods or more admins, because you cannot alone just take care of everything in every post. So yeah, you need people to carry out a subreddit on Reddit. Every time you join a community or a sub on Reddit, you get a welcome message. So you will have to create a welcome message of your own too when you create a community of yourself. And this is the explore feed of Reddit, which I really don't like. It's always in another direction. It never follows the algorithm of the things that you like or dislike. So I hope they work on that. And these were the basics of how to use Reddit. But let's touch more points. So this is how you turn on or off your online status. You can turn it off in case you do not want other people to know that you are online. Besides that, if you want to see the search results pertaining to Reddit on Google, just type Reddit at the end of the query. For example, my query was best movies or series to watch on Netflix. I just typed Reddit at the end of it, and now all the search results I will get would be pertaining to Reddit. I can just tap on any of the results and Reddit will open up, and I can take a look at the comments and the post. And now taking a look at the response which I received on the Kindle post that I made. So here people are giving their own input regarding their experience on Kindle Unlimited, which is going to be helpful for me to decide if I should go for the purchase of Kindle Unlimited subscription or not, which is really helpful. And when you are surfing through Reddit, you come across a post or a comment that you want to follow through and see what are people going to say next. You can just turn on get reply notifications so that you will be notified when people are interacting with that comment more. And you can also tap on subscribe to post, and then you will get notifications regarding that post when people will be interacting with it. This is really cool. So guys, this is how we use Reddit. I think I have covered mostly all the basics that we should know when we are starting on Reddit. And now you will know how to navigate through the app without any troubles. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye!